I'm not saying I don't enjoy this, 'cause I'm loving every moment. It's just hard for me to really give in to all the love that you've got. So let's just take the soul and let it naturally grow. I'm not saying I don't like it rough or having it start off strong. I just want a gentle love. I know that's hard. Just for one night, I want this to feel right. I want this to be a gentle love for you and I, for you and I. I don't want to move too fast, 'cause I'm scared of being let down again. But I don't want to go too slow, 'cause I'm scared of you letting go. I know I'm indecisive, I know I'm complicated. I swear I'm trying not to be all those things. Tell me if this is a lie, baby. And I'm not saying I don't like it rough, having it start off strong. I just want a gentle love. I know that's hard. Just for one night, I want this to feel right. I want this to be a gentle love for you and I. I'm not asking for too much, I just want a gentle love. I'm more fragile than I portray. Please just be kind to me and lay me down slowly, 'cause I wanna enjoy your gentle love, your gentle love. Slow down the pace, I wanna feel your gaze as you look into my eyes, telling me everything will be alright, 'cause you're mine. Oh darling, you're mine. Oh darling, I'm so done with this gentle love.